Section A, another question paper. Already one question paper we completed. This is question paper 2. Even case study and case study alone we didn't complete in the previous. Okay, that we will leave it. Shall we see the case study also or else? Leave it. We'll go to MCQ. Listen. The ratio of HCF to LCM. That means they are asking HCF ratio in the sense we have to divide. This is they asking. Understand? Least composite number. What is the least composite number? 4. So least composite number 4 and the least prime number is what? 2. Okay. For this we have to take HCF and LCM. HCF of 2, 4 divide LCM of 2, 4. They are asking in the ratio. What is the HCF of 2, 4? 2. Am I right? LCM of 2, 4 is what? 4. One time, how many times it is cancelled? 2. So 1:2 is your required answer. Do you understand? That's it. Next, roots of the equation are. For this roots they are asking, take I factor. Product value minus 10, addition value 3, 5 2s are you will be getting if you give negative here. Whatever the sign here, that we have to give for highest number, I told you already. So 5 into minus 2 minus 10, add value 3 we are getting. So x plus 5 which is equal to 0, x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 5 and x equal to 2. That is minus 5 comma plus 2. That's it. Or else from here itself we can say directly opposite sign of the given. Opposite sign of the roots. So 5 comma minus 2 I am right. Then you say what is that? 2 comma 5. Sorry, 2 comma minus 5. Opposite sign of the roots. Understand? Right. Here next term of the AP. This is term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4 they are asking. Before that we will simplify all those things. Terms of 1 you will leave it as it is. Term 2 we can simplify. Term 1 6 is there. Term 1 24. So this is we can split 6 into 4 I am right. So how you will write? 2 root 6. So here 1 root 6, here 2 root 6. Then what it will be? 54. 54 how you will say? 9 6 are. Am I right? So that you will be getting what? 3 root 6. So 1 root 6, 2 root 6, 3 root 6. Then definitely next term will be 4 root 6. 4 when it goes to inside the bracket, inside the root, it will become a 16. 16 into 6. Then what it will be? 6 6 are 36, remaining 3, 6 plus 3, 96. Root 96. Do you understand? Like that you have to think. Right. Next, distance of the point from x-axis. I told you in the last video, if they are asking one point is given, from the one point, if they are asking distance from x-axis, take y coordinate. You understand? Opposite we have to do. If they are asking x coordinate, you take y coordinate. From the x-axis if they are asking, you take y coordinate. From y-axis if they are asking, take x coordinate. Here what they are asking? X-axis. Then take y coordinate. That is your answer. Sir, how sir this is in the sense? See the diagram. See minus 1. This is minus 1. Comma 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the sense. This will be required a point. Minus 1 comma 7. From the x-axis only they asked the distance right. From here to what they are asking. From the x-axis now it's covered what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 point right. So this distance only they are asking. That's what I am telling. X-axis if they mention you take y value. Y-axis if they mention take x value. Distance. Okay. Right. What is area of the semicircle of the diameter D? D is given something. What is the D value? What is the area of semicircle of diameter D? Diameter D is given. Area of semicircle, what is the formula? Pi r square by 2. Am I right? Am I right? But r only we have to substitute. But they are given what? Diameter D. Even in all the option also they are given in D only. So diameter D equal to 2 times of r. Then r equal to D divided 2 is equal to r. Do you understand this? Instead of radius, you substitute d by 2, you will be getting answer. Here, now pi let it be, because pi not substituted in any place. So pi by 2 let it be, I am not doing anything. D by 2 whole square. Now you apply pi by 2 let it be, d squared, 2 squared 4. Then what I am getting, 4 2s are 8 pi d square. Where it is? Here. 1 by 8 pi d square. Is it okay, children? Right. Next, the empirical relation between mode, median, mean. It's a formula. Do you remember that? What is the formula? You tell me. You stand up, man. You tell me. 2 mean. Where it is here, the option? Huh? A va? A. 3 median minus 2 mean. It's a formula which is given in our textbook itself. Okay? Right. You just go through it. Next, we are going 7th. Right, fine. The pair of linear equation represent two lines which are, they asking intersecting or something else. We have to find the ratio. So here, this is A1. First you bring this value, 2x minus 5y minus 6 equal to 0. Like that, x first, no? So you take this value opposite. 6x, 15y when you send opposite, minus 15y, and this 18, what is 18 as it is. Now here, A1 value 2 and, okay, B1 this is. B1 value minus 5 and C1 value minus 6. Like that here, A2 value 6, B2 value minus 15, C2 value minus 18. This and all you don't write in the exam, you write directly. Coefficient of x value is what? X value 2, here x value 6, equal to 1 by 3. Like that you find. Coefficient of y value minus 5, here y value minus 15. When you cancel, you will be getting 1 by 3. Next, constant minus 6, here constant minus 18, equal to 1 by 3. All the ratio equal, then infinitely many solution. That is, infinitely many solution word is algebraical word. Graphical word only they are given here. Graphical solution is named what? Coincident. That is our required answer. Do you understand? Right. Next, alpha and beta are zeros of the polynomial. Then alpha plus beta they are asking. So here the question, in the given question, x square, x is missing. That you take 0x minus 1. Okay. As per the formula, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Here a value 1, b value 0, c value minus 1. B value minus 0 divided a value what are 1, 0 by anything 0. So alpha plus beta value equal to 0. Do you understand, children? Right. If a pole 6 meter high, cast a shadow, like that they are given. Okay, I am taking one pole. Right. 6 meter, a pole 6 meter high. There is a pole, it's a 6 meter high. Cast a shadow, it's a shadow. Okay, I am taking the sun is here like that. Then 2 root 3 meter shadow I am taking from here to here. Long on the ground. Then sun elevation, that means the theta. Sun is going here, I am right. The sun's elevation, theta they are asking. Angle opposite is given. Adjacent also given. Now we have to use tan, because opposite adjacent means tan only. Then tan theta is equal to 6 divided 2 times of root 3. 1 time how many time? 3. The 3 we can write root 3 into root 3. So 1 root 3 cancel in the sense I am getting root 3. For what value of tan you will be getting root 3? 60 degrees. 60 degrees where? Option A. Do you understand? Like that you have to write. Now secant theta when expressed in terms of cot. Cot theta, how you will write secant like that they are asking. We know the identity secant square theta minus tan square theta, which is equal to 1. Okay. And here secant theta only they asked. So you send tan, minus tan you send opposite. 1 plus tan square theta you will be getting, right. They asked in terms of cot. Tan we can change in the cot of like 1 by cot. Am I right, children? You take cross multiple. So what you will be getting? Cot square theta plus 1 divide cot square theta. This is everything secant square theta. If I want a secant alone, you will be getting here root. So that 1 plus cot square theta root For this also root you will be getting. So root separately it will be cancelled, so that you will be getting just cot theta, and here square root of 1 plus cot square theta. Where is in the option? You just see. C, it is there in C, yeah. Right, that's it. So like that you have to work out. These things we have in our example sums also in the textbook. Understand? You can go through that. Two dice are thrown together. Then number of chances how much, children? See, one dice are thrown. See, number of, a die contain a face, 6 face. One die thrown in the sense power 1 equal to 6 chances. What are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But here they said 2 dice. So 6 power 2 is equal to 36 chance. All 36 chance we have tried. But here there is no time. We will go next day. The probability of getting difference of the number on the upper face equal to 3. Which two number you subtract, you will be getting 3, they are asking. That chance alone, let me say, or else all 36 chance we will write. So we'll go to one new page. Let me write all 36 chances, okay. Listen, first 1, 1, 1, 2. If you write that, you will be getting very easily. So that I am writing, okay. And 1, 6. Like that 2. So 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. And here 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, and 3, 6. Next 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, and 4, 6. Next 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Next 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. Only one if you find, other thing very easily we can identify. What they said, difference between the two number is 3, they said. Am I right? That is the question. Am I right? Right. Any one you find. See, this is what? 1, 4 difference between 3. Yeah? Difference between 3, I am right. And other thing also you find. 4, 1. First here you find. 2, 5. What, my dear? 2, 5. You will be getting. Okay, next 3, 6. Next like this. Don't think minus plus and all here. Okay, because they didn't mention such word. Am I right? Minus anything they mentioned. 2 dice are thrown together. The probability of getting the difference of the difference of numbers on their upper faces equal to 3. That's it. Okay, upper faces equal to 3. How many is there? 6. 6 divide 36 equal to 1 divide 6. 1 divide 6. Where it is 1 divide 6 in the option? C they are given. Option C. That is the required answer. Do you understand? If you write all the 36 chance, we can identify very easily. Okay, 36 chance if you write 1 minute, 2 minutes, it will be getting wasted like that. If you think, you will be losing your mark. Really, I am telling you will be losing your mark. Many of them yesterday in D section, they not written that 36 chances. They lose their mark because they forget to add addition 8. They asked something, addition 8 and something. That they did mistake. Because if they are writing the chances, all the 36 chances, we can see directly which is coming, which is not coming, like that. Understand? So you write all the chances, you will be getting idea. And 12, here in the given figure, these two triangles are similar. A, B, C. A, B, C. Then, we have to rotate one of the diagram. Because A, B, C is given. Okay, left, bottom, top. Like that the name is going. A is here, B is here, C is here. It is going. This is first name, second name, third letter. But here Q, P, R they are given. First name, second name, third. It's not in the corresponding order. Have you seen that? Any one we have to change, then only we can go very correctly. So you draw like this. 1 is here. Upper Q name we have to give in the first place. P is the second, so second place. And second place, is it right or what? Second, third is, oh, diagram we have to change. Sorry. Triangle we have to draw something else, like this. So Q, P and R. Am I right? Like this we have to go. And what is the value given? QR is 3. QR is 3. And anything else? PR is X. Right. They said these two is a similar. Okay. AC value is 6. Everything they mentioned. What they asking here? Find the value of X. That's it. If it is similar, we can take corresponding sides in same ratio. So 6 divide here 3. The same side it is here. So first 5 divide X. 1 time how many time? 2. X if I am taking 5 by 2 is my answer. R 2.5 if I mentioned. Yeah, here 2.5. Do you understand? So diagram we have to draw clearly, then only you will be getting idea. With the given diagram if you move, definitely you will be doing mistake. Understand? Do you understand? Right. Next, distance of the point from the origin. Origin is in directly given number square and addition in a root. Okay, like x square and y square. That is the formula if it is the origin, because 0, 0. This is x and y. So 6 square you will be getting 36, 8 square 64, which is equal to 100. 100 root value 10. Where it is 10D here. Do you understand, children? Right. Next diagram is there clearly. X plus y they are asking. X angle, y angle. We know very well it is radius from the center point. Any point on circle it is radius. Radius will make what angle with the tangent? 90 degree. In a triangle, one angle is 90. Then definitely sum up other two angle is what? Also 90. Where it is 90? That's it. Do you understand? If you have a doubt, you just go like that. X plus y plus this 90 you take angle Q, which is equal to 180. Sum of all interior angles of the triangle is 180. The Q angle 90 I know. 90 you send opposite. X plus y, which is equal to 180 minus 90. When I subtract, what I am getting? 90. What it is? X plus y. So x plus y equal to 90 we are getting, no? That is I am telling directly. Understand? And here everything they mentioned in diagram. What we need to find, that alone you go. TA they asking. Means length of tangent they asking. It's very easy, children. If you look like this, you never get an answer. Okay. Do you have any idea to find this? Chalo? Okay. You? Join OA after Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem if you are going, we need any two side of triangle, then only third side we can go. Join OA and you said hypotenuse by adjacent. That is we can go. Okay, means 9th chapter. It is 10th chapter, but after joining OA, we have to go 9th chapter. Understand? I am joining OA. Why I am joining OA? To bring right angle triangle. If it is right angle triangle, then only we can go through 9th chapter. Trigonometry applicable only for right angle triangle. Because it is radius. Radius will make at 90 with tangent always by theorem 10.1. Understand? Now, angle opposite side is called opposite side. And 90 degree opposite side hypotenuse. Rest of the side adjacent. That's what she said. Adjacent hypotenuse we will use like that. Okay, very good, Tulasi. And cos 30 degree equal to adjacent we have to find hypotenuse 4. Cos 30 is what? Root 3 divided 2. Am I right? TA is equal to TA divided 4. 1 time, 2 time. When you take cross multiple, 2 times of root 3 equal to TA. Where it is? A. 2 times of root 3 equal to A. Do you understand, children? The idea what is that you should get. Then only you will do. Here also, here not mention anything. PB 6, AP 4, AQ 8, Find AC. Full length they are asking. Find AC. Listen children, we will use the Pythagoras only because there is a parallel. PQ parallel BC, it's mentioned, I'm right. So we can go directly what? Thales theorem, no? Surely we can use. But AC they are asking. Find QC, then add with 8, you will be getting answer. That is one route. Or else directly you go Pythagoras theorem. Corollary part it is there, I'm right. That we can go. So for that, you take x here, then total length x plus 8. Like that you go, you will be getting. Can I go Thales or corollary of Thales? Thales itself will go. Okay. Then 4 divided 6, which is equal to 8 divided x. First part divided second, first part divided second. So 1 time, how many time? 2. When you take cross multiple, 1 into x equal to 2 6 are 12. This is not answer. Answer is what? 8 plus x plus 8. So 12 plus 8 equal to what is the answer? 20. 20 is the answer. 20. Do you understand? We can go through Thales also. 20 if you want directly, you use corollary part, you will be getting. Do you understand? Because they asked what AC. Are you getting idea? Right. Next, alpha, beta are zeros. Alpha and beta are zeros. Okay. And something they are given. I told you last question also they asked one type of question. What I did there? Do you remember? Very good. Cross multiply I did. After that what I got? Alpha plus beta divided alpha into beta. Alpha plus beta formula B by A. Alpha into formula C by A cancel. Minus B by C I got. Here A value 4, B value minus 3, C value minus 7. Minus of minus 3. So plus 3 divide. C value minus 7. That is minus 3 divided 7. Do you understand? Minus 3 divided 7. Okay. Next 18 amma. So 18th one. A card is drawn at a random from the well-shuffled pack of 52 cards. Okay. The probability that card is drawn not an ace. So in the 52, ace card totally how much children? 4 card. That's it. Not an ace in the sense. From the 52, 4 you remove. Divide 52. That's it, our required answer. That is the probability. Probability means in the denominator we are writing n, what is the n of s value? What they asked that you write in the numerator. Not an ace. Except ace card you take everything. So that what I am getting 48 divide 52. Use 4 table to cancel. So 1 time 12, this will be 13. Then 12 by 13. Where it is? D. Do you understand children? Right. Next assertion and reason we are getting. See children, probability of leap year. Leap year in the sense how many days we have? 366 days. Sorry, 366 days. When I divide by 7, why we have to divide by 7? Because how many week is there in a year? In a week consists of 7 days. When I divide, I am getting 52 weeks and 2 days remainder. 2 days you will be getting remaining. Am I right children? 2 days you will be getting remaining. They are asking number of Sundays, the chances. The 2 days can be, we have a chances Sunday, Monday, or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday, Sunday. That's it I think, am I right? Or Sunday, Saturday, Sunday. Ma? Forget Friday, Saturday. Friday, Saturday. That's it, Raja. Saturday, SA. Then this is not there. Totally how much is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of 7, Sundays how many place? There 1 and last one, 2. So 2 by 7 is 2 by 7 is given. Then assertion is correct. Assertion is correct. Suppose if it is a non-leap year, what you will be getting answer here? 1 by 7. Very good, very good. Right. Oh, that is given next day. Okay. Probability that non-leap year has 53 Sundays. It's wrong actually. They are given what you know. For this dash they are given. For leap year, dash they are given. Dash in the sense what? Failure. Sundays mean non-Sundays they are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 5 by 7 we are given here. That 5 by 7 we are given here. That is wrong. Non-leap year in the sense 53 Sundays, if they are asking, 52 we will be getting in the week. Another one Sunday you will be getting 1 by 7. Because non-leap year in the sense 365, 52 week it is there, 1 day remaining. In 1 day, Sunday only one time only will come. 1 by 7 is correct. We are given what actually? 5 by 7. That is wrong, no? So assertion wrong. Where you will go? Option C. What? Where, my dear? Option C. Do you understand, Raja? Right. And here, A, B, C are in AP. AP in the sense what, children? Arithmetic progression. So, A1, A2, A3 are in AP. AP in the sense, the formula we have to use A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2. Do you understand? You apply this, what you will be getting, we will see. Apply this. Question number 20. Raja, I told to complete this. Have you done, ma? Have you done this? So, here A2 value is what? B minus A, which is equal A3 value C minus B. B fully one side when you bring, minus A you will send opposite, so plus A. So, what I am getting? B plus B, 2B, A plus C you will be getting. Then assertion is correct. Do you understand? Next reason. Sum of first n odd natural number is n square. This is one of the formula. When I am giving 5th chapter introduction, I told you 1 plus 3 plus 5, if it is going till n term, what is the number I said? What is the number I said? Solran paranga. Sum of first n odd natural number. N means n term if you are taking. N term. You take even t also, 2 n terms. 2 n terms if they are doing, you just take n square I said. Example I will tell you. When you see this, you will be getting remember. (25) terms they are given. We did 25 square equal to 625 we are given. Do you remember this questions? If it is not, we have to go as per the formula. So, this is here A value 1, D value A2 minus A1 in the sense 3 minus 1 equal to 2. As per the formula, Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. N value n only because n number of terms they mentioned. 2 into A value there 1, n value n only, D value 2. 2 if you apply, you multiply the 2 times of n minus 2. 2 into 1, 2 only, this 2 will be cancelled. So, n by 2 into 2n, 2 will be cancelled. So, what I am getting? N square. Then what it is correct? Reason is what? Correct. But we are not using the things each other. Am I right? Both are correct, but we are not using. So, option B. Okay, option A, B. Do you understand, children? Shall we start my 2 mark? I will drop the question. Is it visible, Raja? If it is not, I will make it big. You just tell me. Is it okay? Huh? Right. See children, here. Guys, listen. Here, two numbers are in the ratio 2:3. Two numbers they are given are in the ratio 2:3. So 21st I am taking, let x be the any number. What, my dear? Any number. X be the any number I am taking. Then given numbers are, how it will come? 2x comma 3x. Like that it will come, am I right? Right. LCM is 180 and LCM of these two numbers, what they are given? 180. What is the HCF of the number? What is the HCF of the number they are telling? Right, fine. So three values are given. Fourth value we have to find the formula. Number 1, number 2, LCM given. HCF they are asking, no? Then LCM into HCF, which is equal to A into B. LCM 180, HCF need to find A into, that is what, 2x plus if we are taking x and all, it will be very tough to find the HCF. Am I right? Better we will remove x. I will give some other idea. What is the idea? What is the idea in the sense? When they given ratio, you add this together. What I am getting? 5. First number is what? 2. So first number 2 by 5. Second number is what? 3. Addition value 5. Like that you write, that you will be getting accurately. Okay. So first number, x you don't take. This line you leave it. Then first number 2 by 5. Second number 3 by 5. Second number 3 by 5. Like that we will take. Okay. Here you apply then 2 by 5 into 3 by 5. Without to take x, we can go like this. Understand? Because here h is there. If we are taking x, it will be coming like a x square. Again, we cannot find here. Understand? So that I am doing like this. Now you cancel children. You will be getting answer. 1 time how many time? 90. 1 time how many time? 30. HCF if you want, send the 30 opposite. So what I am getting? HCF we need them, right? So multiple 30 when you send opposite, what I am getting? 5 5s are what are Raja? 25. 30 when you send opposite, divide 30. What it is coming in denominator everything? What it is coming? 750. This is coming. Then you will not use LCM. Give it to me. But this is the answer we are getting, okay? After went to home, once again you check in your internet also, but this is we are getting at present, right? Now we are going this 22. If 1 0 of the polynomial is reciprocal of the other, but it's very important, pa. Kindly listen. Even one boy also asked someone. See, one root of the polynomial. It's a quadratic equation in the sense always we have alpha and beta. Two roots are there. Here, one root of the polynomial is reciprocal of other we are telling. Then one root of the polynomial if I want, reciprocal the other, you will be getting the one root. Do you understand? First root you reciprocal, other root you will be getting very easily. That is they are telling. Then find the k value. Then find the k. So when I take alpha into beta, it will cancel very easily. That is c by a. Alpha value alpha, beta value 1 by alpha. C value here the whole constant. Minus of k minus 2 divide a value 6. Okay. Alpha alpha will be cancelled. Take cross multiple 6. Minus when I multiple inside, minus k plus 2. Then k you bring this side plus k. 6 when I send opposite minus 6 plus 2. Then k equal to I am getting minus 4. That is the required answer. Do you understand? 2 mark and all very easily we can score the mark. Okay. Next 23rd question. So, okay, 23rd I am going. Here they are given 2 questions. Okay. First, find the sum and product of the zeros of quadratic equation. Very easy question they are given. So, how you will find sum of the 0, minus b by a, minus b. See here, a value 2, b value minus 9, c value 4. Then take here minus of minus 9. A value 2 equal to 9 by 2. That's it. Stop. Alpha into beta. That is what? Product of zeros. C by A. So 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Answer over. 2 mark. Understand? Find the discriminant. Discriminant in the sense what? D. Very good. D we have to find. What we have to find? D. D in the sense b square minus 4ac. Of the quadratic equation it's given. A value 4, C value minus 5, B value nothing is there, 0. Do you understand? Okay, hence, what is that? And hence, comment on the nature roots of the equation. Means whether it is a 0 solution, equal solution, that we have to say. So, B value 0, minus 4 into A value 4, C value minus 5. Understand, 0 square is 0. This minus and that minus, you will be getting positive. 4 was a 16, 16 into 5, what you will be getting? 80. 80 is a greater than 0, so that real and distinct roots are unequal roots. That's it. They asked to find a D value and they asked to comment the answer also. We did both. Understand, children? Right. That's it, pa. Now we are going. Next question. A fair coin tossed twice. See, they tossed a coin only, but twice in the sense a coin contain 2 face, 2 coin we toss, so you will be getting 4 chances. 4 chances, what are they? Head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. These are the 4 chances. Find the probability of getting at most 1 head. It means at most 1 head in the sense 1 head and below. What is the meaning? 1 head and below. Okay. This is 2 head. Leave it. 1 head, 1 head below in the sense even 0 head is there here. TT means 0 head. Double tail it's coming. In double tail there is no head. Even though at most they said, at most in the sense, at most 1 head in the sense 1 head and below. It means 0 head also we have to count. So we have a 3 chances. So 3 divide 4. That's it. Do you understand? 3 divide 4. That's it. And here it's like a book back question, I think. 5 into cos 60 1 by 2 square plus 4 into secant 30. What you will say? 2 divide root 3 square. Tan 45 1 square. Whole divide. Here we can give directly 1. Sin square 30, cos square 30 1. Because angle same. When we have a square, we can write directly 1. Can I write directly? or else steps you do it, you will be getting the same answer when you do also. You see what it is? What it is? Cos 30 root 3 divided 2 square. When you simplify, you will be getting the same answer. You simplify it, you will be getting the same answer definitely. You simplify it, you will be getting the same answer. So what it is here? 5, 1 by 2 squared value 1 by 4, 4 into what is this squared value? 4 divided 3, 4 divided 3, 1 square 1 divide 1 square 1, 2 square 4, root 3 squared value 3, 2 square 4. So in denominator 4 is common, the numerator we can add directly. 1 plus 3, 4, 4, 4 cancel 1. That's what I said, directly will give 1 in denominator. Even though we got, it's a 5 by 4. 4 4 is 16, divided 3 minus 1. This you take cross multiple. So 5 3s are 15, 4 16s are 48, divided 4 2s are 12 minus 1, take cross multiple. Before that add 40, 50, 58, 58 63 minus 12 divided 12 equal to, what I am getting? 3 minus 2, 1, 5 minus, 6 minus 1, 5 divided 12. Anything possible to cancel here, children? Third table we can go, I am right. Cancel it. Third table, what is that? 4 3s are 1 time 7. So 17 divided 4 is our required answer. What it is? 17 by 4 is our required answer. Do you understand, children? Right. So you do it carefully, you will be getting correct answer definitely. You try slowly, you will be getting definitely. Okay. Right. Next we are entering in the 3 mark. So how many word if you find? What we have to find? N. Very good. I told you many times how many term, number of term, which term, find n. All those words if you are finding, we have to find n. But what formula we are going to use? Very an, not always. Sometimes they will be giving sn also. I told you while I am giving that one page. Okay, but maximum an. Here you will see. How many terms are there in AP, though whose first and fifth they are given? First means what, children? A value. A value what they are telling? Minus 14. Fifth in the sense A5 equal to 2. That is A plus 4D is equal to 2. A value minus 14 plus 4 times of D equal to 2. And 14 when you send opposite, it will become a 16. I mean plus 2 when you add. Then D is equal to 4. Okay, what they asking? Find the last term. What is that? Respective last term. Oh, an value. An value this is given. We have to find n value, no? N is we have to find. Then an you use an equal to my last term in the sense L. But L always equal to an. I told you. Don't forget it. An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An value 62. A value minus 14. N value we have to find minus 1. D value we got here 4. That 4 you substitute. Minus 14 when you send opposite, what I am getting? 66. Am I right? Is it 66? 76. It's wrong. Because 14 when you send 76, which is equal to n minus 1 into 4. 4 we can cancel with a 76. 1 time remaining 3. So 19 time you will be getting. Minus 1 when you send opposite. So n equal to I am getting 20. Is it okay? You check. Is it right, children? Right. And here also they asked which term of the AP. That means which term. I told you, how many term, which term, number of term, find n. These keywords I said. This word if you are finding n, we have to find. After reading the second line only, we come to know an or sn. So which term of the AP is first negative term? This method we have in our textbook. but in optional exercise. Where, my dear? In the optional exercise, they are given this question. Just go through it if you have a time in the textbook. So I am taking this separately. Ma, this is one of the important one, Raja. Okay, this is one of the important one. See here, which term of the AP, which term in the sense we have to find, I told you. So AN formula, AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. This formula I am going to use. But here what are the values are given, that you identify and write. This is A, D value in the sense A2 minus A1, A2 value 61 minus 65, which is equal to minus 4. Okay, right. The very important they are given, which term is negative. Negative in the sense, the clue is like this. AN greater than 0 you take. Because negative in the sense, 0 less than value only it will be negative. Am I right? Which term is negative only they asking, no? Which term is negative they asking, no? Then you take positive. No, which term is negative, no? You take less than 0. Then only we come to know which is negative. You take less than 0 because it is negative. When we have a negative, it should be less than 0. Am I right? Ma, suppose AN is a negative, negative number should be less than 0 only, no? Am I right? That is we are mentioning here. Do you understand? Right. Now you apply the formula. What is that? A plus N minus 1 into D less than 0. A value 65. N we have to find. D value minus 4 less than 0. That 4 you multiply, 65 you send opposite. Or else 65 let it be, we will see. Minus 4n, minus into minus plus 4 less than 0. 65 plus 4, 69 you send 69 minus 4 times of n less than 0. But if 4n you send opposite. 69, 4n when you send opposite plus 4n. Multiple 4 when you send opposite. 69 divide 4 less than n. Divide this. 1 4s are 4 remaining 2 and 9. How many 4 ma? 7 4s are 28. Remainder 1. 0.0 you give. Then 2 4s are 8. Remaining 2. Point already we give. 5 times we are getting 20. Remainder 0. Right. So I am getting 17.25 less than n. So what is the concept here? N value must be 17.25 above. See, there is a number less than. Here what is there? That is greater number. Here what is there? That is smaller number. This will be greater number. Do you understand? Right. So n value they are asking. N value we cannot give in negative. Because 17th term definitely will come in negative. That is the answer is telling. Sir, how sir? Really it will come. You check. A 17 equal to surely I am telling it will be negative term. A value 65. 16 into minus 4. 16 into minus 4 what Raja? Is it not coming up? A value 65 only, no? A value what? 65 only. Minus 64 it's coming plus. Oh, this is then first positive number. No, first positive number. 18 and all, it will be negative. Oh, the sequence is reducing. Okay. Then 18 will come in negative, am I right? A plus 17D, A value 65, 17 into minus 4, you will be getting what here? 65 minus is 67, No, 7 or what? 4, 8. Then I am getting minus 3. That's what. So it is a reducing sequence, no? First negative term they asked them, right? Which is first negative term. So n value 17 above should come. That is first negative term they are asking. Okay, n value above n Sorry, above 17 we have to give. Above 17 means which number? 18. Sorry, n this is. So n is the first negative term of the AP. See, here we got, yes. First negative term of the AP 18. Previous number if you finding, we are getting positive. Do you understand? So 18 is that is the question, which is the first negative term of the AP. First negative term of the AP na? Here as per the rule, n value above 17.25. That is the first negative. We cannot say n value and all in decimal. So above 17 in the sense 18 we can take. So 18 is the first negative term of the AP we can complete. Do you understand this answer, Raja? This is from optional exercise method, not the same sum. Okay. Right. Next, this is from textbook that you know. Prove that angle between two tangents drawn from external point to circle supplementary angle subtended by. This is also book back, am right? What says this is? If you draw like this, center point to O if you are taking, A, B, P if you are taking, they are telling that sum of these two, what are Raja? Prove that angle between the two tangents drawn from external point to circle is supplementary to the subtended by the segment joining the point of the contact the center. Angle between the tangent and the angle between the radius, these together some value will come supplementary. It means 180. Very easy. A value 90, B value 90. A plus B plus O plus P, which is equal to 360. A 90 we know, B 90 we know, 90 plus 90 180. So 180 plus angle O plus angle P, which is equal to 360. Okay. 180 you send opposite. 180 plus angle P, 360 minus 180. What I am getting when you subtract? 180. This is supplementary. That's it. Angle between the O angle, P angle, we are getting supplementary. That is they asked. We got it. It's very simple. Even this is book back question. Kindly you just go through it. It is a textbook question only. Understand? Very easy. And this is also I marked one of the important. Have you seen that? I think question number 7. Exercise from 8th chapter, last exercise, 5th Roman, 7th question I think. You just go through it. See the question, is it 7th or what? Because I want to know, is it 7th or what? 7th only, no? See, it is 7th question. So one of the, I marked this. These things are important. You practice like that, I said. Even the 7th question, same which we marked, they are asking. This is also from textbook. See the previous page. I think second question or first question. It's not from textbook. No, it is there. I have example, Raja. It is from textbook, but example. Example 13. Not in exercise. From example 13 they are asking. I remember this question. This is from a textbook only. That you go through, okay? Or else can I do it? Can I do it? You people can do. Right. Two concentric circle. This is example exercise. Question number 7 then. Question number 7. Go. 10th chapter exercise 10.2 question number 7. This is question number 7. Am I right? Concentric circle we have in two places only. One in example 1. Example 1 about concentric circle only. Another one question number 7. In these two places only, 10th chapter we are talking about a concentric circle. Children, listen why you started to talk. Listen. So, you just read this textbook question. Very easy. If you are taking Pythagoras, answer is over. What they are telling? One circle, another circle, which have a same center, that is called a concentric circle. You draw this one. If it is in touch, this will be 3, this will be 5. They are asking length of the chord. What they are asking? Length of the chord they are asking. That is the full length they are asking. So this will be x you take, then this also x. 2x they asking. Ma, if you want to solve, Mr. Divagar and you are Prasanna, and what is your name? Or you come, you people come and solve here. Why are you talking each other? Listen. This is Pythagoras theorem, I said. 5, 3x. Use the Pythagoras theorem. 5 square, 25, equal to sum of square of other two side. 9 you bring opposite, 16. Square when you send opposite, root equal to x. When you take root 4, 4 into 2x, 8. 8 is the answer. That's it. One of the 3 mark this is. How many steps we did? Very easiest question that is. Do you understand? Very easily we can do when you have ideas. And here find the value of p, which the equation has equal roots. Equal and real roots in the sense what it is? Very good. D is equal to 0. So here we have to use b square minus 4ac equal to 0. And here there is no order. So you make it an order. You make it order. Listen, px into x. It's a book back question, I think. No, it's a book back question. I remember it. Book back it is there. You see it. Px into x, px square minus 2 times of px plus 6 equal to 0. Is it not there? Instead of p, k is given. Number and all same. Yes, see? Instead of p, they are given k, it seems. Number and all same. I remember such type of question. I will not forget. So the same thing we have to go. So here a value, first b value minus 2 times of p whole square minus 4 into a value p and c value 6. That's it, which is equal to 0. Apply the power. 4 times of p square minus 4 times of p into 6, which is equal to 0. 4p you take commonly outside. 1p you will be getting minus 6 equal to 0. 4p equal to 0. P minus 6 equal to 0. P equal to 6 and p is equal to 0 by 4, which is equal to 0. Then p equal to 0, p equal to 6, one of the answer. Do you understand? First equation we have to make it properly. Then if you substitute there, you will be getting very easily the required answer. Do you understand, children? Right. Next we are going 5 mark question. A straight highway leads to foot of tower. A man standing. I think the model is there in book bag. The man standing top of that 70 meter high. Observe the two cars at an angle of depression 30 degrees, 60 degrees. Approach the exactly behind the other. Is that from book bag? 15th one. Is that from book bag? Can you do it then? Can you do it, Raja? Or can I go? Tell me if you want, I will do it. Is it okay? This one, I think this is also from book bag. This measurement I saw. 7 meter high building. 12th question. So maximum from textbook they are asking. And this is also from book bag, 6th chapter. Theorem exercise 6.3 you go. Exercise 6.3. Question number 13 pa. Exercise 6.3 question number 13 number. So this is also book bag. And this is I think 12 or 14. Same exercise. 12 or 14. 16 Raja. 16 now. Many times they asked this. Many times they asking continuously. You learn these things. Maximum number of questions they asked from textbook. A student was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with 2 cones. Example sum, 13th chapter example sum, 13.1. 13.2 rocket sum is there, I'm right? I think that is, I hope that is attached with by each end. Measurements I think will be changing. Or else book back question. 13.2 second question. Instead of name Rachel, they mentioned student. In the textbook, the name is given Rachel. Student name is given. Same question, same measurement, nothing is changed. They are asked this. Just Rachel name is removed. A student they are given. That's it. Do you understand? Right. Book back. I think this is also book back or what? The measure. Oh, it's a single missing frequency. Single missing frequency in where they are given? Where it is mentioned? Here. Find the median and mean they are asking. Monthly expenditure on milk 200 of families. Oh, 200 is given. Very easy to find. Total is 200 is mentioned. Total is what? 200. X very easy to find. Like this if they are given. Add everything, subtract from 200. That is X. Okay, what it is? 24, 64, 74, 77, 77 plus 30, 103, 103 and 22, 16, 10, is it 107 coming? Say, okay, you add 24, 64, 74, 77, 107, very good. 107, 22, 16 and 7. That you check, man. 7 plus 7, 14, 20, 22. Remaining 2 is there. 2 plus 0, 2, 4, 5. That 1 as it is. 152 it's in. The same number you remove from 152, that is the required X. What I am getting? 48. So X is what? 48. So find the value of X, 48. Later it's normal question. You can find a median and a mean. It's normal. Am I right? After finding X value, it's a normal. You can find a median and mean very easily. Am I right? Okay. This question I think very easy. Little they are given easy. Oh, case study. So represent the following information algebraically. They are asking. Just algebraically in the sense, we have to make a equation. That's it. We have to make a equation in terms of X and Y. X and Y they asked to take. X is what? Hockey, X rupees per student. Cricket, Y, hockey, X. Right, we'll make it now. Listen, school P decide to award a total amount this much for 2 games, 5 and 4 students respectively. While school Q, 5 and 4 amma. 2 school P and Q decide to award prizes. Wait, that's what we are going. Because hockey they said X rupees per student, cricket Y rupees per student. So here the games they are telling respectively in the sense hockey and like that. Okay, then hockey 5x, cricket 4y, all together amount 9,500 rupees. Okay, like that school Q decided to give 7,000 amount something, 4 student and 3 student. So that what you will be getting? 4x plus 3y equal to 7,370. That is for a first question answer. First question answer, what we mentioned here, this is the first question answer. Just equation they asked, we made it. Okay. Next, what is the price amount of hockey? Hockey in the sense, X value you have to find. You have to solve this equation. X value we have to find. Or price amount on which game is more than by how much? X and Y we have to find. And which is more by how much they are asking. For example, H got 2,000 rupees and Y got suppose 5. For example, this is 5,000. Who is got? Cricket got more. How much? 3,000. Like that we have to give. This is for example, not exact. For example, I am telling. After solving X and Y, you have to do like that. Okay, what will be the total price amount? If there are 2 students, each from 2 games. Total price 2 students from 2y means 2x plus 2y they asking. Do you understand? Raja, what will be the total price amount if 2 students each from the 2 games? Hockey 2 students, cricket 2 students in the sense 2x plus 2y they asking. After find x and y, if you substitute there, you will be getting. That's it. But you have to solve the equation. It is little bigger. You have to solve very carefully. Clear? There it is. There it is. I circled there. That's it. That equation. Understand? Right. Next. Okay, first question what they are telling, taking O as origin. O is where is O? Here. This is O is the origin. Coordinate P is minus 200 comma 0. Coordinate Q 200 comma 0. PQRS being square. What is the coordinate of R and S? R and S they are asking. Listen children. Listen carefully. I will make it little bigger. Question you got idea, no? Okay, they said PQRS is a square, it seems. And R is a origin, O is the origin. P point minus 200, Q point 200. It means each box they consider 100. So that only it's 200. Do you understand? Each unit has 100 units like that. So that what you will be getting here 100 units. This will be 100. This will be 100. This will be 100. That is the required y. How many 100 we have? 400. How many 100 we have? 400. After how many box it is there? 2 box. So 200. R value 200 comma 400. Do you understand this? And here also same thing. Same 4 but x value negative but y value positive. Do you understand children? That is the first one answer. Just they asked to write the coordinates. R coordinate 200 comma 400 and S coordinate minus 200 comma 400. Do you understand how we are finding that? Right. Oh, we solved in Hindi question paper. Here it is there. What is area of a square? Side is square only we have to find, am right? Then what is the side? So what is the side we are getting? The length of the side 400, am right? Am I right? That's what, this is the length 400 we got. This is the length 400 we got. Then 400 square is the answer. 400 square is the answer. That is the asking. What is the area of square? 400 square. 4 square 16. 00 square the value? 1,60,000. Understand? So you will be getting like this. What is the length of diagonal PR? Diagonal PR they asking. Diagonal PR, this distance we have to find. So that you have to find. Okay, 200, both are different. 400 square. 400, okay, again 400. Okay, this will be in root. 400 if you take commonly outside, then you will be getting 1 plus 1. Then 400 root 2. This is length of a diagonal. 400 square and all, it will go little bigger. So from here 400 to common, so remaining just 1 square. 1 square only 1 over 1 I am writing directly. Understand? Right. Next is question, is it break? Okay, almost I done, I completed you, don't worry. Say, okay, you just go to the break. Another one more question is there. That is very easy only. About playground, parking something they are given. It's a rectangle shape. That is hemisphere shape. Or, sorry, not hemisphere, half circle. Like that, because it's a two dimensional figure. Because rectangle, half of the circle. Based on that, we have to find. That's it. Okay. We'll continue after the break.